What's happening, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today in the workshop we've got this mental car here. It's a straight pipe one. Check it out. Insane car. Look at that kit. So it's in here for side skirt removal, spoiler and the front diffuser. The owner's taking this car, selling the car off and taking this kit to Dubai. Let's hear this beast start up. That's what a straight pipe Lamborghini Huracan sounds like. V10, 5.2. That is nuts. Straight pipe Huracan. So what we're doing first is getting the side skirts off, because this kit, the way it is, it goes over the jacking points underneath. So there's no way we're gonna get these arms on, even though our ramp is suited for it. So yeah, once this kit's on, get the car jacked up, remove the front diffuser and get onto the spoiler. How's it going down there?
You're done almost, bro. 2 more bolts on this side left.
Hard access, innit?
Oh, yeah.
So the side skirts are going off first. Once that's done, we're gonna get the car jacked up. We'll have access to the jacking points and then take off the front diffusers and then the spoiler. As you can see, he had some sort of accident and got it taped up on a Lamborghini. With the front kit coming off. Here's the kit on the floor, forged carbon. Just a spoiler left to take off now. Forged carbon. Take a guess how much this kit costs and drop it in the comments what you think. Let's see this big 5.2 litre V10 engine. Crazy.
Pull this one.
So we're gonna get the spoiler off. This as well. Replace it with the stock one.
Porsche 911. And don't go really to the old school one. No. You seem
Okay,
like
this
the
madness.
Original from the video.
Buy that car, you're gonna get business because of that car.
Is it?
Yeah.
That's how it is in social media. But people want you to drive a good car. They'll have like a BMW banger out there. Like the person who's carrying it has like a 2021
Yeah,
GTR.
exactly. So you know he's doing something right.
Spoiler's coming off now.
Yeah, you take it off. I'll hold these up.
No, it's best to move this one.
Oh no, wait. Yeah, we have to.
Forward
'cause there's
carbon.
another bolt there, isn't it?
Yes, just pull that.
That's the full kit coming off. There's some wires there, isn't it?
I think it's the brakes, isn't it?
Yeah. All done. Putting the stock one back on now. This job's done. In case you're wondering how much this kit costs, it's £11,000. Yeah. Anything for a Lamborghini, expect nothing less. It's off now. So that's the kit removed. Car's ready to go. I think when I get to the best part, sound check versus my RS6. Let's do it. Let's get this Lambo out and do a proper rev. I'm going to rev off with my RS6. See the differences. This one's got a down pipe, this is straight piped. V8, V10. Let's see how the difference is in sound. Let's do it. RS6 versus Lamborghini Huracan. Start the RS6. Huracan, go on. Ready, yeah? Rev it up. Oh, you do it first. Crazy, man. Fast. Oh. My ears are finished. My ears are gone. Oh my days. Crazy. Flipping crazy. Amazing looking car. Need to get one of these one day. Always love the start switch. Fighter jet style. Yes. V10. Stick into Corsa mode. Give it some. Mental. What do you guys think? sounds better. Let me know in the comments.